Hello, my name is Asosa Onoroti, and this is my patient, David Onoroti. We are recording the neurological exam for NU 650. Do I have your consent to record this video? I will now begin with the assessment. Before the assessment began, I performed hand hygiene. I'll begin by assessing cranial nerves. If you could please close your eyes, I'm going to start off with giving you something to smell. If you could please tell me what you are smelling, the flavor of what you're smelling. You may inhale now. It is an apple. That is correct. An apple. Smell it. And now we'll assess visual fields. If you could please open your eyes, sir, and look at this pen and just follow it. Just with your eyes, not your head. Perfect. Thank you so much. Now I'm just going to test your facial expressions. If you can give me a big smile, shiny teeth, and frown as frowny as you can. Frown. Perfect. Thank you so much. And now if you could please flex your neck, putting your chin to your chest, and raising your head up with your chin as far as you can go up to the sky. Thank you so much. And now I'm just going to go ahead and fill your throat. And if you could please swallow for me. Did you have any difficulty swallowing? Perfect. Now if you could please open up your tongue and stick it out as far as you can. Perfect. Symmetrical. No discrepancy noted there. Thank you so much. And can you please stick up your tongue one more time and move it to the right as far as you can? And to the left? And up? And down. Perfect. Thank you so much. And now if you could turn your head as far to the right as you can. And as far left. And now if you could move it right against my resistance. Perfect. And left against my resistance. Thank you. Now if you can shrug your shoulders up and down. And now try and shrug your shoulder. Put your shoulders down and try and shrug it up against my resistance. Perfect. Strength, 5 out of 5. And now I'm just going to test your hearing. Let me know when you hear something either on your right or left ear. Could you?
Left.
Perfect. Thank you so much. And now I'm just going to be testing some. You can open your eyes now. I'm just going to be testing some of your coordination. So we'll start off with your fingers. If you could please, as fast as you can, with your thumbs, try and touch each finger with your thumbs as fast as you can. Like this. This is to check how rapid your fingers can move. Perfect. Thank you so much. Walk the patient. And if you could please, now with your index fingers, point with your right and left index finger to your nose, alternating. So left, right hand. Left hand, right hand. Thank you so much. Perfect. Perfect. And now, for your toes, I would have to put the cameras to your toes, and we're going to just do a toe tapping. So if you can tap your foot and then put your heel of your foot to your shins, both on your right and left leg. So we'll just start with feet tapping. If you could just tap your feet to the floor, tap your toes to the floor, and to the other leg as well, please, your left leg. And now if you can place your heel of your left leg to your right shin, to your right shin.
Where's my shin?
Perfect. And the right leg heel to your left shin. Perfect. Thank you so much. And now, this is a walking portion. If you could please stand up for me and walk with heel to your toe as like this. This is to check for coordination. Perfect. And if you could do that walking back, please. And now if you could please turn back and try to walk on your toes. Just the tippy tops of your toes. Perfect. Thank you so much. And now I can have you do either or. I won't let you hop in place so you can just rest. But also if you can bend your knees slightly and get back up. And if you can sit on the chair without holding anything and get up without holding anything. Perfect. Thank you so much. You may sit down, sir. Ooh. Oh, sorry. If you could please stand up. I'm sorry. This next test, you would actually have to be standing up. This is called the Romberg's test. If you could please stand with your feet together and have your eyes open. Or together. Your feet together, please. Perfect. This is just, again, to test your coordination. This is, I'm counting 30 seconds. And now for 30 seconds, if you can close your eyes in this exact stance. Perfect. Thank you so much. And now, if you could, I believe you can sit down now. You can sit down now, sir, for the rest of this exam. Thank you. Thank you so much. Oh, man. Sorry. We'll just test your motor strength and your grip strength, and then we'll go back to the standing up position. There's something I forgot to test, but I would not have you stand now. It is just in asking the patient to stand for 0 to 30 seconds with their eyes closed, and they would have both of their arms held straight forward with their palms up, and it's to test coordination. And now in testing your muscle strength, assessing your arms, there's no tremors. Arms are symmetrical, as well as triceps. No tics, fascia. And it is normal in size and contour. And no atrophy noted. And now if you could please flex your lower arms, both at the same time. Up. And then down. And now against my resistance. Up. Okay. And down against my resistance. Perfect. Thank you so much. And now for your wrist, if you can flex it up and down. And now up against my resistance. And down against my resistance. Thank you so much. And now if you could please hold my hands. Squeeze them. Both hands. Both hands. You squeeze both my hands. Perfect. Thank you as hard as you can. 5 out of 5. And now for your fingers, if you can spread your fingers out wide, like so, and close them. And now if you can open them against my resistance, and close them against my resistance. Thank you so much. And now this is to test for your hip strength. If you can try and raise up your left leg, and down. Your right leg as high as you can, up off the chair, and down. Now if you could please raise your leg against my resistance. Perfect, and down. And against my resistance right leg, and down. Perfect, thank you so much. And now, since your knees are indeed flexed, if you can try and move your left leg outwardly like so, and inward. Same thing with the right leg, out and in. Now, if you can move both against my resistance, perfect. Thank you so much. And now this is for your toes, for your feet. If you could please flex your foot forward like so. Flex your foot forward, and back. And flex your foot back. And now, could you flex it forward against my resistance? And backwards against my resistance. Thank you so much. And now I will test for your sense of touch. Let me know if you feel something. Just say yes whenever you feel a point. No, let me know just by saying yes.
Oh, okay.
Just say
Yes. 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 Yes.
okay, perfect. And let me know, does this feel hot or cold?
Cold.
Hot or cold?
Cold.
Hot or cold?
Cold.
Hot or cold?
Cold.
Thank you. And now, just going to go ahead and test your reflexes. I'm going to start off with biceps. If you could please flex your right arm.
Said flex my right arm.
Yes. And if you could put it back down, please. And if you could please open your eyes and have your palms down. And with your thumbs, bring your thumbs up and down again. Thank you so much. And just checking your reflexes here. If you have your palms down again, just going to strike the back of your arm here. And now I'm going to assess your knee reflex. Just have your knees relaxed. Perfect. Knees relaxed. Perfect. And now assess your ankles. Perfect. Thank you so much. And now, if you could please flex your neck. Thank you. Just putting your chin down. And if you can, at your hip, flex your hip by straightening your leg and then bending it. Straightening your legs and bending it. And bend. Perfect. Thank you so much. That will conclude the neurological exam with NU 650. Thank you.